Hello, John, and welcome back. In this tutorial, I'm going to be talking about the mark tag. I believe now you have been thinking, what does this do again, and how do we use it? So that's exactly why I do this video for you. You are going to know why you should know it and why you should use it because it's very, very useful. So the first thing to do here is to open a new folder. Let's say new folder, and then I name it mark tag. And I should just open this up inside my code editor, and then I should just open this up. It's opening, so I can just say open my index.html file also, index.html file, and close this sidebar and also this, and bring out the normal HTML template. Change the title to mark tag. Perfect. So let me add a paragraph tag to it and say this is a wonderful tutorial tutorial by Code Alumni. Perfect. So now I want to open this up inside my browser. Let me copy part and then go to the browser, paste it. And you can see now, let me increase the font, the size of this. So now you see now this is a wonderful tutorial by Code Alumni. Now let's say I want to highlight this Code Alumni now from the HTML, Now what do we do now? That's when the mark tags come in. I can just add it. Just say mark, just say mark, just say mark tag. Perfect. So inside the mark tag, I copy this and then I paste it in here. I paste the code alumni that I want to be highlighted. And then I just open it up inside my browser and refresh. So do you see now what happened? It's a little bit highlighted. It doesn't a little bit, it's highlighted actually. It's highlight the code alumni, it's highlight is a green background, and that's exactly what the mark tag do. You may definitely have been seeing this before and you are thinking, oh, how do I do that? How do I this to my code? Is it possible? Is this not just a sort of a design? No, you can actually do this using HTML, and this is it. If you like this video, kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel, and I will like to see you in the next one.